What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Continuing on the absolute obliteration of cases we've got coming up. We've got the Apple 15 Pro Max silicone case with MagSafe in winter blue. I have done a short on this. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it linked right here for you guys to check that out. This right here, there's been requested a few times for me to put this on to the blue phone. So because we've got the titanium blue, I figured why not show what it looks like and see whether it's any good or not. I think this is a lovely case, the Apple silicone case. I think it's a lovely case. I think it's better than the new woven cases. The woven just isn't for me, but you'll see that video coming up very shortly on the channel. Let's go ahead and take this out the box. So we have already unboxed this because, as I say, I've done a short on it. So taking it out, you've got a little bit of light reading information right there if you want to look through that for your case. I don't know why anyone would, but you never know. Taking it off this, so it comes on this nice stand. So I have to place it over there. So there is the winter blue silicone. You got the dark blue Apple logo, the raised lip around the camera, the nice velour suede inside, the MagSafe logo right there. Nice silicone buttons on the side in like a sort of deeper blue, and all your cutouts. So let's go ahead and let's drop in the 15 Pro Max in blue titanium. And there you go. That is what it's going to look like with the blue titanium camera lenses. Is that a look? Is that a vibe? I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Is that a case you go for if you had the blue iPhone with the winter blue silicone case? Now I don't know how well this is going to wear over time because I've never really bothered with the Apple silicone. I've always had the Apple leather. Nice soft touch buttons. Feels really nice. Of course, your action button, hold to open. I've got it set to camera. Cutouts on the bottom for your speaker, microphone and your charge port. Cutouts on the back for your camera ring. It's nice and recessed, so you can place it down like so and not worry about it. And of course, nice recessed lip around the screen itself, so you can go ahead and place this face down and again not have to worry about it. Now I've heard different things about the Apple silicone case in that they wear a little bit strange. They wear a lot on the corners. Some of them tend to strip themselves over time, but with Apple's policy you can take it back into Apple, and in all fairness to Apple, you can take it back in and they will exchange it out for another case to give you a brand new one in case of any defects. So you can just go back into Apple, so you wouldn't do that. Me personally, if anything went wrong with this case, I'd be going back into Apple, but I think this looks absolutely fantastic. It's going to go really well in the car, but let's test out the MagSafe. So bring in the Nomad base stand and then we put it on like so. It attaches on, so that's on there. It's now charging. If we pick it up, again another case that can pick up the base stand. I mean, the base stand is supremely heavy, and I mean really heavy. Another phone that can pick it up and keep its weight, so you got nothing to worry about. The magnets are strong enough. You can put this on your MagSafe chargers, you can put it on your MagSafe car mount, you can also put it on the MagSafe battery packs on the back and not really have to worry about them coming off. I think that is a good look, to be honest. I'm going to be really honest with you now. I had all intentions of sending this case back to Apple for a refund. I think this might be staying as part of the collection. I really do. But let me know what you think. Let me know, would you pick up the winter blue, and have you picked up the blue titanium? Let me know what colour you've picked up, and let me know what case you've picked up for your phone. Let me know what case you want to see coming up on the channel. There's plenty still to come and plenty more still to come over the next few months or so. But let me know what you think of that. Let me know whether that is something you would go for. And obviously having the car that I've got fits in really well. It's just all blue, all the things. I'm really happy with that case, to be honest, and I mean it's gathering dust. I mean, not gathering dust because it's sitting around. I mean, even in my hand, I mean, it's gathering a fair bit of dust that's in the air. It just keeps landing on it and you have to brush it off. Whether that'd be an issue over time, maybe this is a case that needs a revisit in a few months' time to see how it's worn, any issues with it, how this dust collection has gone over time when it's lost all its sort of, static. There is the blue silicone, the winter blue silicone case from Apple. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the fine woven as well. Is that a case you'd go for? But let me know what iPhone you picked up. Let me know what case you picked up as well. because I really am interested in seeing what you guys picked up for your phones. So let me know in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.